Hi everyone! Surprise, you guys see my face today. So, funny story, we actually printed out the whole kit and then made everything and never filmed a video showing what's in the kit. And I didn't want to waste paper and print it all out again. So, we are trying a new method today. Please, guys, let me know if you enjoyed this method or you would prefer the other method. Both work for us, but I just want to know where the majority lies and what you guys like. We're just going to be looking at pictures of everything and talking about it. And yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna jump into that. This is ROSY Gazette and it is such a cute kit. I'm obsessed with it. We're gonna start off by looking at some of the papers. This is definitely one of my favorites. You guys know I like to add collages to a lot of the papers. And I gotta say, guys, this kit is so fun because of the colors. I think it's really fun. Like the pink with the black and the white newspaper look is super, super fun. And all these papers are just really good together. I always print them out and lay them out together. I actually design like 20 papers, sometimes even like 30, and then I pick my favorites out of that. And this is another one of my favorites. We always got to add that little splash of green to accent the leaves and the roses. And then this is a neutral paper, as well as this one and the next one, because you always got to have some neutrals in there. Next up is double pages. You guys know I just like to throw in a couple of these because some people like to use them. And I always try to make them neutral-er, so if that's a word, so that things can be added to them, if that makes sense, instead of the paper being super crazy. Next up, we have words, pre-made collages, fussy cuts, and tidbits. You guys know that words are always a good little add-on to have to kits. And the fussy cuts in this kit are just to die for. Just take a look at them. They're going to be so fun to work with. Gotta have the smaller tidbits and layering pieces. And finally, these pre-made collages that I just love. Here we have the mini project for the kit. It's a really cute one. Here are the papers for them. They really just come together in the most beautiful way. And you guys are about to see a little more. Okay, and I do have this one on hand so I can show you guys. It's really, really cute. Open it up. There's that. Trying to make sure you guys can see it. And of course, this is the main event here. There's all of these waterfall pockets. So, really fun project. Here we have some fun elements as well. This stacked pocket can be used together or as separate pockets, and then these fold up into each other for hidden journaling space. And then these are waterfall flaps and some different envelope varieties. So the envelopes, you just have some classic shapes along with some extra tidbits on this side so that you can embellish the envelopes. I always try to fill the space when I can. And then of course a big variety of blank and decorated waterfall flaps. This kit has some of the funnest ephemera I have made in a while for my personal preference. We have some more neutral and calm ephemera, like right here, and then we kind of jump into this that's a little bit more eye-catching and detailed, and I love them. They're so cute. Here are some more random kind of add-ons to the kit. I love these belly bands, and I love the ones on the left. They're like ticket belly bands. They're so cute. Then collage cards, of course, with a bunch of bright colors. A circle pocket, and then a page with some random clock, newspaper, ephemera. Now we're going to be looking at some tags and some pockets. So these tags are just really fun, big and bright, and then we have some unique shaped tags, just a bigger variety. I try to include a big variety, some neutral tags, some smaller pockets with pre-decorated designs and room to design, and then these pockets as well. Alright, and for those who are gold subscribers, here is the gold project. I love this one. I'm really proud of it. That's the front. This is a tri-fold. So it's going to open up like that, and you have all these fun different elements. We won't get too into it just because I've got to keep it a surprise. Really, really fun. Really cute. Really excited about that one. And then it just, oh, wrong way. Just folds up, and it's really fun. So this is another view of that trifold folio, backside and the front side as well. Lots of fun elements to use here. That wraps up the preview of the ROSY Gazette kit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I've gone ahead and linked everything below. We will see you guys next time. Make sure to follow along for the rest of the videos.